Hi friends, in this video I will be showing how to wall mount Samsung Crystal 4K Smart TV. I am using full motion wall mount or 180-degree rotatable swivel type wall mount. It is very smooth and we can operate with one hand. It would be very useful if you want to change view angle. With this type of wall mount we can easily connect HDMI cable or pen drive to TV. If you have any doubt, please comment. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. Please watch till the end.